papasok sa Office of Speaker? Totoo po ba?
Medyo mainit pa yung ulo niya eh. Pero kakausapin ko ulit. And hopefully, we might be able to get inside and have a personal heart-to-heart talk.
Anong paliwanag?
Ha?
Anong paliwanag?
Hindi, kasi may... Okay. Hindi, sabi lang ng guard doon na a private meeting, nag-sorry sa akin. Sabi niya hindi ako makakapasok sa office ni Romualdez. And I said, that's fine, you're just doing your job. It's okay, but just please tell Martin Romualdez that...
Kung dito lang tingin ko.
Yes. Sabi lang kay Martin Romualdez na nabaltaan kung gusto niya akong kausapin last week, and I'm open to having a private conversation with him. And I like to congratulate him on his graduation from House Speakership.
Pero si incoming speaker, makakausap niya?
Ay, hindi ko pa nakakausap, but I'd like to...
Pero nandiyan daw siya sa loob eh.
Malay mo ba ako yung incoming speaker?
Umaasa pa rin kayo?
Well, there's always hope.
Hanggang ma'am. Ano mang expected mangyari mamaya sa plenary?
Plenary, well, we have no expectations. But if ever they elect another speaker that is... Kasi posible yung magiging bagong speaker ngayon ay yung pro-admin si Boji D. Deputy Speaker siya ni Romualdez. Ang feeling ko pag siya yung naging speaker, mauulit yung issue na to next year kasi parehas lang sila ni Romualdez. Both under Marcos, walang mangyayari dito. We'll go to the same problems if we elect the same people.
Pero hindi kayo in-invite ni incoming speaker Boji D para sa meeting today? Kasi daming congressman dito na...
hindi niya ako in-invite pero hopefully pag nakita ko siya sa plenary, we can talk about his future programs and plans. At kung sakaling ma-convince niya ako na mababago niya ang administrasyon at ang House of the People, then maybe I will also support him in the speakership. But if I deem him worse than myself, then I will still vote for myself, even if I'm the only one supporting myself.
So ang paka nyo lang dito today, kaya kayo pumunta rin sa Office of Speaker para sana makausap si Martin?
Gusto lang mag-hi kay Martin and say, musta? Musta, congratulations, bye-bye Croc. Sorry. Congratulations and bye-bye. I hope you enjoy your retirement.